What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kolade. Today I want to share something with you. You know, if you are a graduate and you have no job, it's advisable for you to learn a work. Your education would make you stand out, definitely. You know, when someone who is not educated could be able to stand on his own, could be able to float a business for himself, you know, how much more of you so-called educated ones? Here is a story of a man called Inyuade. I met him, so I want you to hear from him right away.
My name is Abayomi Inyuade. I started this work 2000. I ended the work 2004. And I be my home in Abuja. I lost my father 2000. After I lost my father, things did somehow. My mom cannot take care of us. Understand? And I say, I decide to go and learn mechanic. After I learn the mechanic, I not be person today. Because I don't want to suffer. That's why I learned the work.
Strongly hardworking and dedicated to work.
I'm doing my work perfectly. When I finished my graduation, I worked with somebody 3 years. When my guy wanted to do freedom for me, he asked me one question, I answered him. He said, if some more to come, how am I going to do it? How am I going to do it? I said, Oga, the way you used to do your own, I will try my best. He said, good boy. And I say, Oga, if there is new years when motor they come out, if another year come out, how am I going to do it? I tell them, he said, oh boy, the way you do last year on, you use that brain and do the next year on. And I continue. Since that day, I didn't regret.
It is a known fact that many of them find themselves in what they do due to one challenge or the other, which turn out to be part of their life.
I love the works.
Without a university degree, he understands repair of motor vehicle of different kinds.
If a motor has problem, I will solve the problem. If it's jacking, you know, sometimes motor will be jacking. They will say it's fair pump, it's not fair pump. It's not fair pump that causes the problem sometimes. It's another thing that causes the problem. You have to rectify it before anything, so that the motor will be okay. The owner will not carry the motor. So, I'm doing my work with my intelligence to survive. I thank God for everything. I thank God for what God done for me for this work. Now I build the house on this work. I buy cars. I marry for this work. I do many things for this work.
He believes that there is a little difference between him and white-collar workers.
Different that is a little different because they are used to enjoy AC. But if I get money, if you go provide, if the government help me, I will put AC for my shop too.
He agrees that education is good.
It's good to go school, but it's good to learn work too. Work. This the people that go school, I thank God today, I did borrow for them. Then they go and meet me to come and borrow for me because I'm working every day. Then they're based for their salary. If there is no salary, they won't eat. But me, I'm working every day. I'm getting my money every day. No, I did borrow money for bank one day. Then used to borrow money for the bank. But me, I didn't borrow money for bank one day. Our work have season. You see, have season. Sometimes you can get 50,000 in a day. Sometimes I can get 10,000 naira. Sometimes I can get 20,000. Sometimes I can get 5,000 naira in a day. In a day, in a 1 week. If you know what you are doing, you will make it. You can get 10,000. You can get 50,000 in a day, in a week. You can get 100,000 in a week. It depends as the work comes.
They face some challenges as well.
Sometimes we will park motor. So that is something that can happen. It has happened to myself. The thing has happened to me. I park motor before I wake up in the morning. I didn't see the motor again. If anybody don't want to do this our work, it's a good thing to focus for the work. Where you want to learn this work, don't face money. Don't face money where your guy dey get. Face your work so that I can know it. If you know it, it's your own benefit. It's not your guy benefit. It's waiting to take train your children tomorrow. So that I can proud of my work. But when you focus on money, when you immediately you enter the work, when you focus on the money, you can't know it. Because waiting your guy will teach you, it will different. My name is Abayomi Nywade. I want you to live better life. Thank you.
You've heard from him, and I hope you've gotten yourself inspired by his story. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel for more. We have so much more for you. Subscribe and hit the bell button so whenever we upload, you will be the first to see them. Bye for now.